Toky is turbo speed. Or should be. That Mavdoc hackmancing. Can I manage it without attracting everything? Probably not. It does complicate things trying to get off of screens, to be honest. We can do. But my God, it's fast. And a bit bigger as well. Yeah, having a bit of trouble here at that size. Might even have broke it. Ah. Strange. I'm sure I went round the top and somehow managed to get through the collision, which is a bit strange. So fast. And there's a returnee, someone that's come back after a long time away. And there's Belfegor. And I think I'm going to end it there. That was fast.